Hey guys, Monique Leslie, Misfit Crafter here. I'm really excited to share with you kind of a newish website with you. It's been around, I've mentioned it maybe just a few times, but there's like a lot of great things actually going on with it right now. It's called Creative Fabrica, and it's a great resource for finding graphics and design resources for like all your maker projects. I've been using Creative Fabrica for about a year and a half now, and I've really been impressed with the quality of the graphics and the ease of the use of the website. But they don't just have graphics. There's a huge variety of graphics, fonts, patterns, templates, crafts, classes, and so much more. There's like all kinds of tools and everything you can use that you can choose from. So you're really going to find something that fits your project no matter what you do. And the best part is that you include the commercial and print on demand license with their subscription. And right now it's on sale, as you can see, for $59 for the year. It's $4.99 a month, and they bill you straight with $59. It pays for the whole year, and the best part is that discount is locked in forever, which I'm a little mad because I paid more for my year. I finally went from the monthly that is regular $29 a month, and I paid it for the year. Mine was a little more. So you're getting like the lowest price I've ever seen. So if you want to sign up, just use my link below. And like I said, if you sign up now, it's locking in that price for life. They also have some other plans. Like if you want to check them out, you can see like all just general stuff. The pricing that you're seeing here is just what they would cost if you want to purchase something on its own. So you don't have to get a plan. You can just buy one thing. It's $1, per thing. But they do have other plans. You can even get a free trial, but I say just go for the year. Believe me, it's totally worth it. And Creative Fabrica is perfect for like Cricut users, 3D printers, sewers, needle crafts, even teacher resources are available. They have everything from like AI art that you can create, different graphics, KDP interiors, backgrounds, UI kits, scene generators, mock-ups, anything you can think of, either for just personal use or for business. It's perfect because like I said, you also get like the commercial license as well. And if you're looking for a great way to add some personality to like any of your major projects, I definitely recommend checking out Creative Fabrica. You definitely won't be disappointed. Right now I use it constantly. I'm always using it. Practically every day I'm on here. Sometimes I have to stop myself from scrolling, checking out everything they have. But I use it from like KDPs for my Amazon publishing to cut files for making like cake toppers on my Cricut. They even have patterns for like sewing, needlepoint, all of that as well. So be sure to check it out. My link is below. It gives me a little kickback if you do go through my link, so I definitely appreciate it. And if you feel free to message me if you have any questions about it. I just wanted to show you around a little of what you can get. Like this is just popular this week, usually is new stuff. There's anything from, like I said, just general graphics, graphics for sublimation. There's always things like bundles and everything else that you can get. And they have well over 6 million graphics. That's just graphics alone. So there's well over probably 7-8 million different resources that you can use. It's so cute. They have so many things. I can never seem to keep up. They also have tools like Spark, font clouds, shape clouds, a web font generator. The artistry is just like a blog that they have. Like I said, there's a teacher one. Plus they can take classes and everything, which is kind of neat. They have Cricut classes on here, just quick little things. But there's all kinds of things. So be sure to check it out. Hope you enjoy it.